If you think hot dogs are just a quick fix for the kids, think again. They're the perfect vehicle for serving a big crowd, but I'm gonna show you how to glam them up and even make them worthy of a wine pairing. Did you ever think of adding veggies to your hot dogs? Almost every vegetable works at a hot dog bar. Cucumbers give a great crunch to hot dogs. How about a little heat? Slice up some fresh jalapenos. And some nice onion. How about an avocado? Did you ever think about putting that onto your hot dog? When setting up a hot dog bar, it's always good to have a variety of hot dogs and buns. Make sure you have a nice hot grill. Most grills have hot spots, so just make sure you don't leave your hot dogs on one of those for too long or they'll burn. You can take the buns right from the bag and put them on the grill. Toasted buns are always a great offering. These split top buns are perfect for when you're setting up a hot dog bar. Lets you load on lots of great toppings. Our hot dogs are right off the grill. We've got some toasted buns, some untoasted buns, and I like to offer wraps for a low carb option. Now all that's left to do is put together our hot dogs. First up is our Greek salad hot dog. Next is our Chilean hot dog. And finally, our banh mi hot dog. So you see, hot dogs are worthy of much more than just ketchup, mustard, and relish. I went for the Greek salad hot dog here, and I'm pairing it with a nice, cold, dry rosé for a perfect evening. Cheers.